so let me see. Should be, yep. Have audio. That's fun. Nope, I need that again. Hello, Camaro. Just doing a tweet. There, tweet is done. Hello, Blind and Dangerous. Thanks for coming. I'll probably be here. I'm gonna try to get like 2 hours worth of this stuff. And I know what I'm doing, maybe. We'll see. So,
main menu, vertical menu with 6 items, selected, arcade button, press enter to activate, quit button, press enter to activate.
I wonder how...
Press enter to activate.
Is that on
Options,
the loudest?
vertical menu, accessibility option, narration box, 4, 10, none, 10.
There.
Options, vertical menu with 22 items, selected, accessibility button, change accessibility options, press enter to activate, press up and down to select other items.
Turn that off.
Draw distance selection, selected, far, use the near setting if you experience low frame errors, press left and right to change.
Hello, Christian.
Options button, press enter to activate.
So,
Button, press enter to activate. Options button, press enter to activate.
wow. I like that YouTube emails me to tell me that I'm live. Maybe that's... Am I subscribed to myself? The bug with the different BPM, I believe so. If you're... if you are talking about, like, the one that was breaking Autumn Day Distraction, that one should be working, but I don't know if you're talking about something else. I don't know.
Arcade button. Press enter to act. Arcade. Press left and right to select a track. Press up and down to change the difficulty. Easy difficulty. Beginner difficulty. Rated 7.
I wonder if there's a way to get less. What? Latency on this stream, because it seems like there's a lot, like 30 seconds worth. Well, I mean, you get used to it.
Easy difficulty. Beginner difficulty.
This isn't that.
Rated race options. Press enter to start or escape to go back. Score.
So this is a new track. Actually,
Game settings.
change.
Audible cues 2.
Audible cues 2.
Arcade. Press left and right to select a track. Press
Like I said before, if you're
press
gonna
F1 for more information.
edit, you should be in Audible cues 2, so you can hear all of the notes. You don't just get half. Actually, it's so it saves it normally.
Easy difficulty. Beginner difficulty.
So this is a
Rated
new
beginner
track.
difficulty. Rated beginner difficulty. Race options. Press enter to start or escape to go back. Race options. Press enter to
I
start
have
or escape to go.
license.
Loading track.
It's really cool. I like it a lot. So,
Rank 1.
like I said, I was going to be working on rank 1. I'm not... Okay. I'm going to be working on the editor accessibility. Wow, that's the wrong cue sound. That's interesting. But one thing I need to do soon, and tell me if you can hear me like over the track here. Maybe I'll turn the oops. Of course that pauses it. I think I turned my volume down a tiny bit. That's one thing I never know if you can hear me over this. There's a way to set up a, whatchamacallit? Make it automatically go quieter. I really like this track. I'm excited to get it. I licensed 2 tracks from this guy. Okay. So this track is using the new lanes feature. I still don't know what it's called, but you're prompted to steer back and forth at certain times. And it does not have any audio cues yet. Right now the audio cues are all wrong. I like this track. It's really... The game doesn't have enough fast music, so I'm excited to get this track. I like it. Anyway, so I have tasks that I wanted to do.
Pause menu.
Anyway,
112 combo.
So what I wanted to do. First, I'm working on the menus in the editor.
0.
For one thing, it doesn't tell you when you activate the edit. I'm going to do that first. So
0
activate the editor, and it doesn't tell you what you did. So where am I even doing that? With the F4 key, so you press F4 to activate the editor. Alright, let's do it. Do these editors know their name? You are an editor. Do you know your name? I'd like that. Oh, you don't have a name. Okay. And have... Should I half-ass it with a switch? Yeah, the Q's 2 mode, it's too difficult to play, but if you're gonna do editing, then in that case, you should use the Q's 2 mode, just so you can hear all of the, oh, hello, Mitchell. Just so you can hear all of the, oh, okay, did I fix BPM changes? Yeah, you can change BPMs. You should be able to. With Control B to change the BPM wherever it changes. Should be able to. Consider E. You know what? I still say for playing, there's still something else I can do for Q's2 mode. I really don't know. It's really there just if you want an experience that is as close to as possible to you know, I don't know, the real game, I guess, if that makes any sense. I'm trying to do stuff. I'm gonna half-ass some code just to get it done. Slices are glitchy, notes don't appear. I haven't seen a problem. I think if you have a problem like that, it would be best to like email me the actual files, and then I can see exactly what's going on. Or did you say there was an issue in Lifelight? Or no, never mind. I'm getting people mixed up. Nope. try to type quickly. Let's see. On those checkpoint missions, yeah, it's just being able to go fast enough, really. And I don't know how. Like, the biggest problem that will slow you down is missing notes. If you miss any notes at all, it's a huge. It slows you down, prevents you from getting power.
Loading.
So that's the number one thing. I don't know if you
Done.
do
Welcome to
miss
Sequence
notes.
Storm.
Maybe you
Main menu.
don't.
Arcade button. Press enter to act.
What am I doing now?
Arcade. Press left and right to select a track. Race options. Press enter to start. Loading track. Pause menu. 0 combo.
Now I need to.
Song editor.
So okay, when you hit F4, it tells you song editor.
Editor exited.
There.
Song editor.
Okay. Now it's telling you where we are. Is this
0.
right?
Channel 4. 0.
Okay. Turn on the sound. Great. Now, what I was thinking about doing, I want to have a shortcut key for all these different menus. I don't know how people are used to using menus. Yeah, the game does support changing tempo. Because you move to the point where the BPM changes and you hit Control B and it inserts a BPM change. I don't know how people are normally use menus. I wonder if I should do just like Alt F to open file menu, etc. Stuff like that. I probably am going to do something like that.
0 and 1 point.
File, view, play, track info, edit menu, notes, instruments. So there's an issue with, I don't know, maybe there's some bug to do, Christian, that I don't know about. Maybe? That's possible. So obviously, file can be Alt F, V, view. Am I using Alt V for something? I don't know. I might be using these keys for something. Instruments, no. Seems good. Yeah, I'd have to see it myself, and I just haven't seen. Maybe you're just seeing a bug that I just haven't seen yet. Oh, what am I doing? I'm doing that thing where I'm trying to like work in front of people, and it's really weird. Genres? I really don't know. Honestly, I'm not even very smart with that kind of stuff. So, on the menu bar, a menu? It sure is. I meant to do some of this kind of busy work stuff before I started, but I didn't have time today because I did my little workout. I had to go to the store, and then it was already the afternoon. So what do we do when we menu bar menu? You can get this soundtrack on itch as well. Let me find that. I'll have to paste it. I pasted it, the link in the chat. I don't know about this menu thing. God, I thought I'd work on it, but I'm like, trying to work on it. I need to approach it a different way. I always need to like.
1 and 3 4.
Okay.
1 and 3 4 2.
Well, yeah, because it just lets you just download the files.
1 and 3 fourths.
So one issue with the menus right now is that they don't work with the keyboard because
1 and 3 fourths.
simply like I'm
2. 1 and 3
pressing
fourths.
up and down and it's scrolling up the menu and scrolling up and down the track at once. So
Editor exited.
no,
Song editor.
exit. I wonder if
Insert new BPM change. Type the new value. The current value is 190. Cancel.
these menus must not be getting set modal. So let's see if I can have it do that. Menu bar. Set open menu index. Great. I'm gonna see if I can fix that one issue.
Loading. Done loading. Welcome to sequence arcade. Arcade. Race options. Press
So
enter to
now,
loading track.
what happens?
Pause menu. 0 song editor.
So if I open a menu,
Track editor. World. Song editor button. Track editor button. Press
Great.
enter to activate.
it's no longer modal. That's good.
Song editor button. Press
Hitting
enter to activate.
escape does not. Okay.
Song editor button. Press enter to activate.
Oh dear. This is more tedious than I want it to be right now.
Track it. Song editor button. Press enter to activate.
Yep. Now I'm stuck in the menu because hitting escape doesn't go back. I love that. That's really good. I don't know, you guys. What did I just... Oh, I just put that in. So, anyway, that just means... Yeah, I was so excited to work on this, but now I'm like, oh, this is tedious. But there's other stuff that I want to do too. Like,
Loading. Done loading. Press any. Arcade. Press left and right to select the track. Press up and down to change the default race options. Press enter to start or escape to go
well,
back.
the soundtrack
Vertical
is
menu with
just
4 items.
MP3
Selected.
files,
Mode selection.
so
Select loading track.
I can't imagine that's
Pause
very
menu.
hard to import.
0 combo. Song editor. 0. 4. 0.
Okay. Oh, 'cause I don't have
0.
that.
0 and 1/4. 0. Zero. Channel 4. 0 and 1/4.
Something I wanted to do. Let's see. Can I? This menu thing is gonna haunt me forever. I really want to get it going. All I have to do is menu bar menus. This is full of menu bar menus. This is, I can do this, come on. I gotta get like myself excited to do this. This stupid menu thing, because it would be nice if this worked, and then people could maybe even start to use this, like with Monday's build. That should be my goal. Get this done so that it can be in Monday's build. So I gotta get into it. On left click. So here's what we're gonna do. Left click. Set open menu index. Nope. Oh, here we are. Yeah, do they? I I haven't read the audio games forum for a long time because I don't know. I feel like I just kind of settled on Twitter. Okay, thank you, Christian. I want people to bother me if things don't work, especially like with the editor, because it works for me. So I don't know, until I encounter a bug, I don't know about it. I'm trying to like, I'm looking at this function of what happens when you click in the menu, and I'm genuinely like, oh, okay, here we are. Most people would use like a library or something, and I'm just a fool because I need to program everything myself. Game. Nope, set modal. How do I do that? Okay, well that's good. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I'm like trying to make it so that you can actually exit the menu. I have to make it modal, meaning nothing else gets input when it's open, so that it works normally. However, when it's modal, you can't close the menu because you can't do anything else. So what am I doing? If you click elsewhere, well, first of all, it's gonna set open menu index to -1. That makes perfect sense. Love that. And then, actually, probably isn't gonna, if the menu itself is modal, this might not even get called. This is what I really like. How do you set modal control to? Oh my god, it's a global variable. I love that. UI base. Here we go. Nope, 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 nope. It's not even a. I don't think that's gonna work. Okay. Actually, I feel like I've solved some of these problems already. Oh, I really want to get this stuff done. So the other thing I was doing, so I've talked about the new feature. What is it called? Lanes. I don't know what they're called yet. However, I still need to.
Downloading. Press any button. Welcome to sequence.
There's no audio cues
Arcade.
for him yet,
Press left and right
and
to select the
so
track.
I'm
Press up and down
hoping
to change
that
the difficulty. Press F1 for more information.
not this Monday, but next week. So like on the 13th, hopefully that Monday's build will have some kind of audio cues for the new lanes thing, because I need to get feedback on that, but no one can tell me if it's working.
Race options.
If
Press enter
you
to start
can't
loading
use
track.
it. So
Possibilities.
that's
0,
gonna be kind of next week's goal. So let's see.
World song editor button. Press track song editor button. Press enter to activate.
Yeah, I need. Okay. Here's the real thing. I need to be doing this in debug build. I think that's all there is to it. Actually, am I set open when I open the menu? Do these things have a parent? Parent? Menu bar. On menu bar. What is this? Okay, this makes sense. I need that's what I need. When you open the menu, you should still be able to interact with the menu bar as well, because that's why I'm getting stuck. Oh, I feel like I'm frantically trying to get this done. So, anyway, modal control, that stuff is all the way in here. How on earth? I don't want to put special code in here, but I might just do that. Menu bar. Yeah, this menu bar is pretty darn special. I wonder. No. I think what I'm gonna do. Do menus know? They just have an on menu bar. I'm going completely bonkers. When I add a menu, do I tell this menu that you're on the menu bar or what? Aha. No. Yeah, I'm losing it on this particular thing. Yeah, this is what I feared. I'm gonna have to like sit here and read this stuff and try to understand my own code. When I want to do stuff that's gonna be more interesting, but like I really want to get this done.
Done loading. Press any. Welcome to C. Arcade. Press left and right to select the track.
I think
Press up
like
and
I
down to
said
change the
last
difficult
week,
race options.
it's just gonna
Press
take
enter to start
me
loading track.
time sitting here wondering.
Pause menu. 0 combo.
I really don't have a way for a menu to know that it's
Press enter to activate.
on a menu bar. 'Cause I really want it to know. Come on. Yes, that's lovely. Where am I? In a menu. Okay. How about does the menu really not know what its menu bar is? Like how do you not know? How do you not have a oh, is it a parent pointer? Let's investigate. See, I completely forgot how I did any of this. You have no parent pointer. Well, that's disappointing. This menu doesn't know who its parent is. I hate that. I'm gonna have to rectify that number one. Okay. In menu bar, add menu. Why am I literally confused? Oh, that's the actual menu. Now menu has a parent, supposedly. However, nope. See, something is. Wow, this make this a friend. How is that not? Make it protected, not private. Not even. Makes no sense at all. Oh, menu. Does that make any sense at all? I'm confusing myself. Well, am I alone? I think I might be. That's fine. I have a beer. Oops. Oh, hi. I think maybe this participant's supposed to tell you who's in the chat, but it doesn't show anybody. So like I don't get to know what's going on. Actually, on Saturday, I have to do a rebuild, I guess. Oh. So what I'm working on is I'm putting together 5 new tracks, and I'm going to put them into a DLC, and there's so much work to do because I want them all to be really cool. I want new environments, new artwork, I want new missions, new everything. And I really want to get it all done like in a couple months, but I don't know. We'll see. Really, really wanna. Anyway, this track that I played earlier is one of them. I don't know how to get less latency between the video and between me and you, because why am I stupid? Oh, this is the worst bug. No, it's not a bug. Worst thing in C++ is you can't put a freaking variable declaration in a switch case. And now I have to build again. Well, yeah, you can only create tracks. Technically, there is a way to create whole new missions, and that would be by creating an entire DLC pack that someone would put into their DLC folder. So it is possible for you to create. I think I need to do a little bit more work, but there is a whole DLC framework where you could theoretically create like new missions. I wonder if this would be more entertaining if I had like narration on for my editor. I don't even know how that works. Narrator is an app?
Pane. Narrator dialog. OK. Button. Alt plus O. Heads up.
I don't
Narrator
use
keyboard
this
changes.
thing, so
We've
I
updated
don't.
the narrator keyboard layout so it more closely matches the experience you may have had with other screen readers.
Hush.
If you want narrator to tell you what commands are, My Music,
I don't.
Microsoft Visual Studio, 279 case SF keyboard S.
Oh my goodness, it is narrating.
C. A. S. E. F. C.
Who is this other guy? Somebody else is saying the letters.
A. S. C. Case SF keyboard S. Selected. End of line. C. End of line. C.
There's some other dude here.
A. S. E. S. Space. S.
Why is the guy that says space
Space.
a different dude?
E.
What's the deal with that?
S. A. A. Document selected.
Oh my god.
Build succeeded.
Oh, I selected the entire thing. I don't want to do that.
288 if, parent menu bar. 285 case SF keyboard escape.
I don't know if this is going to make things any better. But we now have dudes talking.
Loading symbols for mymusic.exe. Loading. Ready.
What was that?
Ready. Sequence storm window. Ready. Loading. Press any button.
There's so many dudes talking.
Welcome to Sequence Storm. Arcade button.
I don't remember what I just
Press left and
programmed.
right to select the track.
Because I had to take so long. Oh.
Z.
I have a freaking breakpoint.
Space.
Run. Run the program.
Race options. My Music. Press enter pane or escape to go back. My Music. Running. Microsoft. C colon backslash users backslash D. Sequence Storm. One of Sequence Storm window.
There's so many people. Okay.
Loading track. Pause menu. One combo.
Okay.
Song editor.
Song editor.
0.
Now, can I do it? If I hit escape, it now closes this freaking menu. Oh, but now everything's broken. Oh my god. That doesn't help anybody. Okay. Yeah, it sounded... Whatever. Now nothing is... Now I can't do anything. I love this. I'm gonna go over here.
13,689.
You guys, that's line... That's how many lines there are on this freaking file.
13,690 UI base get modal control. Dash update.
So, is there a modal control right now?
13,690. Breakpoint. Step complete. Menu.cpp. Text editor. Edit. Step complete. Inside function UI base get modal control. 28.
Do I have a modal control? Let me peep it right now.
Plus G underscore modal control equals size equals 1.
I do.
Pane.
And it's a menu.
Plus G under My Music. Debugging. Microsoft Visual Studio window.
Okay,
Menu.cpp. Text editor. Edit.
That did not do what I wanted. I will not be attempting to program blind anytime soon. I can play my game blind, but this, no. So I think the issue...
Plus G underscore modal control equals size equals
I'm trying to get the freaking menu to go away. That's all I'm trying to do right now. Because right now, you open a menu and it just hangs out
plus menu equals M
and
underscore
it
menus equals
irritates
size
you.
equals 3 M
So
underscore
that's
cursor
all I'm
position
trying to
equals
do
0
right
M underscore
now
equals
is
Z
get
equals
these
true.
menus to act like normal menus. That is it. So this is a modal control.
Pain.
The issue is that it's not enabled, it's not visible.
Plus menu, my music, debugging, Microsoft Visual Studio.
Everything is a struggle. It's fine.
My music.cpp, text editor, Z. What?
Oh my god.
Pain.
I have to, they literally go...
Get a slash menu.hp slash menu.h q c colon backslash users backslash dwm backslash documents backslash my music c colon backslash users backslash dwm backslash documents backslash my music c colon backslash users backslash dwm backslash documents backslash my music c colon backslash users backslash dwm backslash documents backslash my music.
This... Oh, that's awful in the terminal.
C colon backslash users backslash
Every time
dwm backslash documents backslash my music c colon backslash users backslash
What on
dwm
earth?
backslash documents backslash my music.
It keeps repeating the prompt over and over. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it now. Okay, so in menu update, that's
My
where
music.
I screwed up.
Pull menu, opening parenthesis, update. Text editor, edit.
Oh my god.
Ready. Menu update, selected.
I'm in menu
current
update.
document. 233. F, copy, search, A. Text editor, edit. 289. Ready. 200. Code G.
Aha.
My music, debugging, Microsoft Visuals. Open, else. 22 of 464, opening brace. Selection deleted. F2057, end of line. End of.
Yeah. I'm wondering how hard it will be to switch the game over to using NVDA. I've intended to do it forever. But it's like messing with something that works. I don't want to do it. And I hate using libraries. Every single library has its own magic way of doing stuff, and I hate it.
Tab.
Hate it.
S.
So
Item,
I just,
S, saved.
I don't know. I probably should do it. Some people were talking about the game in Japanese on Twitter, and they're like, I assume that, would that allow people to translate the English into their own language? I don't know. I'm just expecting it to be magic. Everybody says it does everything, so... Luckily, I don't know. Set modal, great. Game.
E, complete colon, game. 20 of 180, game. D, get game mode. 2 of 6, D, Capg, L, custom, M, L. Games, selection deleted. E, colon, game. 20 of 100, game, colon.
What
E,
am I
M,
doing?
S. Item, S. O, F. Search control, S, T, find Dolgan, L. Find the following specified text, O, D, L.
I am like losing it.
Ready.
Menu.
Menu.cpp tab item. Cap, E, UI base. 1 of 2, get modal control. 1 of 1.
There's
closing
literally no way
parenthesis.
to just
Oh.
clear the modal control. Like, why? Hit control to shut up speech? Oh. Is that how it's supposed to be done? Somebody wanted that feature in the game to be able to, like, stop the speech.
L. 2057.
Oh, okay. So
2058
just
UI
tapping
base get modal
control.
control.
I need to make a note of that.
Window. Scan. Item cannot take focus.
Why are you...
Column left. Button. Unavailable. No pane.
I'm trying to type, program.
Unavailable. Unable to select.
Hey.
Scan.
Okay.
No next form field. No next form field. Unavailable.
Alright, something has hijacked my caps lock key.
Focus on. Pane. Focus on. Pane.
Stop that. Something is being... Okay. Something's being naughty and I can't
No
type.
next form field. No next form field.
Nope, I'm in a weird mode where I can't type. See, if there's something else I should use instead of NVDA, then I'll do that. Now, how did I get into a...
My music. F.
Oh, I can type here.
S. F. 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 F.
Oh, I can't
Column
type.
left. Button. Nope. 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 No previous item. Minimize. Button.
Oh, okay. I'm getting, yeah, it's putting the focus up on the window controls. I don't want that. Oh.
My music. Pane. Window.
I didn't know it'd be like stealing all different kinds of
Narrator dialog. Okay.
inputs.
Button. Alt plus O. Heads up. Narrator keyboard changes. We've updated the narrator keyboard layout so it more closely matches the experience you may have had. Window.
I
Scan.
don't care, program. Windows control, what is, does that just toggle it?
Exiting narrator.
Okay, does that bring it back on too? No.
Starting narrator.
Oh yeah, it does.
Exiting narrator.
Well, the narrator's not... Okay, we'll see about that. Is that the one I wanted to use instead of NVDA? I need to investigate, so I'll make a note of that. Yeah, I didn't realize it was going to be doing... I mean, it's probably good that it does, but I'm just trying to type, computer. All these people trying to tell me stuff.
Loading. Done loading. Press any. Welcome to Sequence Storm. Main part.
Now.
Arcade. Press leaderboard. Press F1.
No, not the leaderboard. Come
launch.
on. Oh, will you cooperate?
Changes. Race options.
Seconds.
Press enter to start or escape to go back. Vertical menu with 4 items. Loading track. Pause. Song editor.
So, if I open a menu, if I hit escape, it goes away. Great. That's all literally all I wanted. Goodness me. I can open a menu.
Shift notes left button. Mirror notes button.
Okay.
Press enter to activate.
And if I hit escape, it goes away. I want to also be able
Toggle
to...
game version beta feature test button. Press enter to activate.
If I click outside the menu, it should also... I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm going to check this in. So I check in often. Anyway, I did all that nonsense that you couldn't even watch. Just so that...
Edit creator button. Press enter to activate.
Just so that you can actually use the keyboard to actually scroll through the menus. That's all I've done so far.
Edit button. Edit website button. Press enter to activate.
Okay.
0 and 1/4.
But that's important. Set menu bar menus modal when so that fantastic. Yeah, I want to have you be able to navigate leaderboards with the keyboard because I want to add all kinds of other info. But it's just one of those things that I haven't spent a ton of time on. You should be able to navigate through. I want to do other stuff with the leaderboards as well. Because if I'm going to have unlockable rig skins, I want to actually show those on the leaderboards. and I want them all to be configurable and stuff, and then of course I'm gonna have to like narrate what people's rigs look like, and that'll be fun. So yeah, the leaderboard kind of sucks right now, and that's just because it hasn't gotten any attention from me. Okay, what's next? Now, I want you to be able to open the freaking menus using Alt and then a key. Yeah, I'm gonna have unlockable skins. And that's one of the things I want to add. That's another thing, like, if I'm gonna have this DLC, it's gotta come with it's gotta come with cool stuff like skins. Caps lock with space to turn off scan mode. I just turned it off entirely because it was driving me crazy. What am I doing next? Yes, I just said what I was gonna do. So these menus have to have keyboard shortcuts. Honestly, once I get that, this will be, oh, I need to narrate the menus when you open them as well, because right now they don't do anything, so I'll just have it do that when you, see, you can't even click the other,
Enable metronome clap button. Press enter to activate.
click, okay. So when I open a menu, I want to narrate that I just opened it. So let's do it. So talk, speak. Oh my goodness. I forget how to use all this. I have a function called talk and a function called speak. Do I know what they do? No. Oh, okay. Wait just a second. How is that bug there? I just noticed a thing. Okay, that's fine. Get narration text. That's what I want. Narrate current selection. Oh, I love using the wrong functions. All right. Well, I'm so glad that it's sunny today and it's gonna be warm this whole next week. Because we've had snow on the ground and that's really not cute or clever. I'm not into that at all.
Loading. Done loading. Press any arcade. Race options. Press enter to start loading track.
So now,
Pause menu.
pause.
Zero combo. Closed.
Open the editor. Does that work?
Closed. Closed.
Oh, it's being dumb.
Closed. Closed. Vertical menu with 3 items. Selected. Song editor button. Press enter to activate. Press up and down to select other items.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, it's I can't narrate that close. Yeah, I'm not interested in any more cold weather. Especially if we have to stay inside. I'm not doing that. I'm not featuring it. Bad enough I can't go to the bar. Seriously. Do these menus have names? They should do. You better have a name. Yes, you have a name. Well, you better say your name, menu. See what this is like. Let's see. How long? I've been going for 1 hour. That's not bad. I really want to get this stuff done and in. And I want it to be magical.
Loading. Downloading. Press
I'm
enter.
gonna have to do more work to
Arcade. Press left and race options.
clean this
Press
up
enter to
on
start.
Monday, but
Loading
that's
track.
fine. You little.
Song editor.
Alright.
Track info. Vertical menu with 6 items. Selected. Editing button.
Yay.
Press enter to activate. Press up and down to select other items.
Yay, the menu is narrating.
File. Vertical menu with 5 items. Selected. Save button. Press enter to activate. Press up and down to select other items. Open track folder button. Save button. Open track. Upload to Steam Workshop button. Press enter to open Steam Workshop page button. Exit button. Press enter to activate. Open Steam Workshop. Exit button. Press enter to activate.
It's not narrating the keyboard shortcuts.
Save button. Press enter to activate.
I will fix that then. Does that actually work to press enter? Oh, it does. Fantastic. Okay.
Play.
Okay.
Vertical menu with 7 items. Selected.
Okay. Now, menus need to. Let's check that in. Narrate menus on opening them. Push it up. Now I need it to, honestly, these menus, they're really just there so as a reference to the keyboard shortcuts, so obviously they need to actually narrate the keyboard shortcuts. So where on earth, menu item, is that what does this? Menu item, narrate something. Or is it just in menu? Nope. Get narration text? Is that what I'm... Menu, get narration text, sure. Wonderful. It looks like every single, okay. Menu command, get narration text. It says press enter to activate. I want it to say, so if menu command has a keyboard shortcut, where is that? Button mapping. Where does that go? 1, 2, fourth parameter. Key. Oh, key binding. Hi. Hello. If the key binding is valid, I suppose. I want to narrate it. Do I have narration for key bindings already? Button mapping. I do not. Fantastic. That means I get to add it. Oh, if I get text, what does that do? Let's find out. Let's find out together. Maybe that will narrate perfectly fine. I don't know. Why am I... I'm doing this narration weird. That's fine. Let's see what that sounds like. It's done building. Loading, loading.
Welcome to C Arcade. Arcade. Race options. Press enter to start loading track. Song editor. File. Vertical menu with 5 items. Selected. Save button. Control plus S. Press enter to activate. Press up and down to select other items.
It says Control plus S. Is that good? I don't
Open
know.
track folder button. Control plus O. Press enter to activate. Upload to Steam Workshop button. Shift plus Control plus S. Press enter to activate.
I think you should just... No, I don't want it to say plus. Okay. Well then, I'll fix that. So there's a get text. I'll just have to add a get narration text. Wait. Button mapping, get text. I'll add a get narration text. Or I'll add a flag. Bool. There. Same function. Computer, cooperate, please. Actually, I just wanted to say Control S, not Control plus S. Right? I just want it to be a little more shorter. And I think that's fine. So I'm gonna do it. Because it's my program. Oops. Now, forgotten what I've done already. Do they? They say plus? I don't like that. Because you wouldn't normally say press Control plus S. That just sounds weird. So I don't like it. Because I do everything my own way. Oh, menu command get narration text. Yeah. Do you think I've followed any kind of conventions so far? No. So after I just get it to activate the menus when you hit Alt, I don't know if well, I think clearly I want you to be able to discover what all the shortcuts are. You should be, so I need the menu bar itself. I assume that you're used to menu bars. If you just tap Alt, then it just, the menu bar suddenly has focus, and you can dig around and find stuff. That's the one thing that's missing right now. But at least we'll have the menus themselves narrating. And then I want to have keyboard shortcuts for all of them, like Alt F should open the file menu. So we're getting there. Oh, it takes forever to build this thing sometimes. Well, a few minutes. That's longer than I want to wait. Yeah, it's a lot of fiddly stuff to implement for this to work exactly the way you would expect menus to work. And so I don't know how
Loading.
good it's gonna
Downloading.
get.
Press any. Well. Arcade. Race options. Press enter to start. Loading track. Song editor. Play. Vertical menu with 7 items. Selected. Pause/resume button. F3. Press enter to activate. Press restart button. F5. Press enter to activate.
Okay, but that's not.
Pause/resume button. F3. Press enter to activate.
Come on,
Five.
program.
Vertical menu with 5 items. Selected. Save button. Control S. Press enter to activate. Press up and down to
There.
select other items.
I like that better.
Upload to Steam Workshop button. Shift Control S. Press enter to activate.
Yep, I like it that way. Okay.
Editor exited.
So. Menu items.
Quit. Arcade. Press left and right to select a track.
Do I
Press up and down
have?
to change the difficulty. Press F1 to last life light theme. Long light manifest. Massive Metropolis. Rated 7.
Do I
Line all day.
have?
Speedy mixed berry. Rated 0. Neoprise over pedal push/pull. Remember sailor. Rated 11.
I think. I think this track is also
Easy
gonna be
difficult.
in the
Rated 27. Game settings menu vertical menu arcade. Press left and right
this
to select a track.
DLC I'm working
Press up and down
on
to change the
because I
difficulty.
like this track.
Press F1 race options. Press enter to start or escape to go back. Vertical menu with loading track.
I think I'm gonna put this one into. Oh my god,
Rank 1.
this is all screwed up. Wow.
Pause menu.
Anyway,
66 combo.
I want to put this one into because it's one of my favorites. Try to make a good pack that people
Pause
will
menu.
like.
Please quit. Arcade. Press left and right to select a
I don't
track.
know what else is
Press
going
up
in
and down to
there.
change the difficulty. Press F1 for more information. Rogue is Sheldon, Stuck Neck Cut, Sucker Punch, Syndicate, Tell Me Another One. Rated 20.
Somewhere.
Try, Rowhammer Edit, Tripolis, Violence in the Max and Win. When you're 160,820.
I don't know. Okay. Next. I really want to get this. How am I going to detect? You hit the Alt button and didn't hit anything. That sounds like a struggle that I don't want to deal with. But I do want to be able to open the menu bar with the Alt key. Oh dear. I guess it's actually, how does it really work? Yeah, you really press and release without any other goodness. Well, that just means it's more complicated than just detecting a keystroke, right? I'm not into that. Where do we do that? Let's see. I really should be able to get that going. Okay. Does the menu get that Alt key pressed? Well, let's discover it together. In update. I'm gonna put a breakpoint right in there.
Loading. Done loading. Press any button. Welcome to Sequence Storm. Main menu. Vertical menu with 6 items. Selected. Continue button. Arcade. Leaderboard.
No,
Press F1 for more info.
I don't want the
Race
leaderboard.
options. Press enter to start. Loading track.
pause. Oh, that's not what I want.
Pause menu. 0 combo. Pause menu. 0 combo.
Computer program, you're not cooperating. Okay, I'm gonna have to actually. Well, anyway, I'm getting events. I think that's the point. So, if the event is a key press, that's what I want, right? It's 0 if there's no, the track rating will be 0 if there's no notes authored there. And I probably have, like, if somebody, I don't know, if there's no notes authored for the current difficulty, it'll just say 0. Left alt or right alt. So I'm just getting the menu bar to detect
Downloading.
pressing the alt key.
Arcade. Press left and right to select the track. Race options. Press enter to start loading track. Pause menu. 0 combo.
So we're detecting pressing it, and that's really fun. So I'm gonna have to store some kind of state to know that I pressed the button. Alt pressed. Equals true. Yeah, people aren't going to fill in all of the difficulties most of the time. Because number one, it's very tedious. But anyway, most people that are into the game that much that they want to create tracks are not playing like anything like medium or easier. Did I tell you guys I broke a mirror like right before this? Because my office is so messy and I had a mirror sitting here and I knocked it off my desk and it broke. So that's bad luck, right? One thing that I'd like to get, well, sometime is that if you know how zigzags work, the visuals, they move back and forth on the screen. And so I'd like to have the actual audio cues for zigzags pan back and forth so you can hear where they are. And that way you can author things that make sense, not just audibly, but also visually. And I'd like to have that be like an optional way to play the game, is to have the zigzag cues pan. Right now they're just always on the left or always on the right, but I'd like them to pan around optionally. But in the editor, I'd like to have them pan around all the time just so you know where they're at. Yep. Yeah, everything's hard and extreme. Well, most of it. I try to put, easy and medium. It's not that hard to go in and throw in a few notes. just to make something work on I don't know, like beginner is just like just throwing a few notes. It's like whatever. I still want things to be fun on all the difficulties, of course. I was almost so for this new feature where you have to steer back and forth, I was considering having the cues for that possibly work in a different way than the other ones. Maybe I don't know. I want to try stuff just to make it feel like a different kind of feature and a different type of gameplay element, so that it's not just another button to press, you know? I don't know how to do it, make it really feel like you're actually steering. Yeah, 75 is the highest. Honestly, at the high end, the difficulty ratings get so
Loading.
um
Done loading. Press any. Well, arcade button.
it gets a little bit
Arcade.
chaotic
Press left and
because
right
it's
to select
just
track.
it's of
Press up and down
course
to change the default.
automatically
Press F1 for more
calculated,
information.
and at the high end the
Three,
ratings
Jaguar.
get kind
Silence
of
Tell me another. Stuck neck cut. Remember say.
Where is
Slash
that?
pet.
Where are
Reward.
you?
Left. Interview. Hero mod theme.
I really wish I could type the search in here.
Rated 0. Extreme difficult. Leaderboard.
So I have a score on Don't Die, but I had to play it on 90% speed.
Selected. Don't die by Paul Bazooka. Expert difficult. Game settings menu verdict. 95%. 90%.
Yeah, 90% speed.
Arcade. Press left and right. Race options. Speed. Score.
I can do it.
Loading track.
It's just really hard. And I can't score well. I have to slow it down a little bit. Otherwise it's so fast.
Rank 4. Rank 3. Rank 4.
Nope. I always hit the Windows key when I'm playing. I am not winning. I am almost dead. Why do I get that part wrong every time? Oh my god.
Results. Failed. 38.84% accurate. Arcade.
Anyway, so it's hard. But yeah, slowing it down
Press F1 for more information.
definitely helps.
Rank 5.
So I think it's a good feature. If you can't do something, just slow it way
Game
down.
settings menu 85%. 50%. Race options.
50% speed, that's going to be quite easy. I wonder what it's like if I actually put it's taking time to get there. Of course, the audio cues are also slowed down. I might be able to fix that, but I don't know.
Pause menu.
Oh well.
Arcade. Press left and right to select it. Game settings menu verdict. 80%, 90%, not 100%. Arcade.
I still don't think I've ever gotten, do I have a score on either strike? No.
Left and right changes track.
I don't
Escape to
even.
go back.
This one is so
Hard
hard.
difficult, extreme difficult, race options. Press enter to start or escape to go back. Vertical menu with 4 items. Loading track.
I'll give it a try, and I'll continue on. This one's just so. I think this is. Well,
Rank 6.
I'm like missing already.
An intense dissatisfaction. And a compulsion to do something about it. Heaven and guiding star.
No, I remember why I cannot do this. Nope. And I hit the freaking Windows key again. I feel like I'm just spamming.
And guiding star. An intense dissatisfaction.
I'm not sure I've ever gotten this far. Whoops. Well, I guess I can do it. Alright, I did it.
Results.
I guess maybe I'm
Success.
getting better at the game,
70.59%
because I also
accuracy. Press F1 for more details. Press enter to
just
continue.
beat like the Autumn Day Distraction on Extreme as well, only a couple days ago. So I only got 70% accuracy though.
Arcade. Press left and right to select the leaderboard. Press F1 for more info. Left and right changes track.
But whatever.
Escape to go back.
Oh yeah, these are our workshop tracks.
An intense dissatisfaction with the world.
So I am in 6th place on that. The first
Heaven
two, I don't know why Larga has 2 different accounts, but he's in number 1 and number 2.
and guiding star.
I don't know. This is hard. I like to play things that are fun.
Rated 66. Rank 3.
Club Night, this is also... Do I have a score on this?
Press F1 for more info.
Oh, I do.
Left and right changes track. Escape to go back. Connect bells. Element either.
What I really like
Killer
is...
Wave.
Killer Wave. This
Rated
one's really
46.
fun.
Leaderboard. Press F1 for more info. Left and right changes track. Escape to go back. Race options. Press enter to start or escape to go back.
I like this track a lot.
Loading track.
I have to work on menus though.
Rank 1. Rank 2. Rank 3. Rank 4.
I'm not seeing a bug. that I need to fix before Monday. Oh well.
Rank 3. Rank 2. Rank 3. Rank 2. Rank 3. Rank 4. Rank 5.
Oh, I got 90 exactly. Is that?
Results.
That's funny.
Success. 90% accuracy. Press F1 for more details.
Wow,
Press enter to continue.
that's so funny. I got exactly 90.
Arcade. Press left and right to select the track. Leaderboard. Press F1 for more info.
Cool.
Left and right changes track. Escape to go back.
That's not my best time score. I got 92 before, apparently. Okay, that was exciting. I like it. Try it. It's fun. Anyway, what I was trying to do was open the menu with the Alt key. So let's do it. I'm detecting the press. And then what? Well, now if you let go, or if you press something else, it needs to, like, ignore it, right? But if you release an Alt key and then what? I don't know. That's the part I don't know. What happens then? Well, I think I'm gonna have to make the menu steel focus. I don't even know. Okay. Let's try it. Actually, let's start doing that. So what happens? Let's find out.
Loading. Done loading. Welcome to C Arcade. Press race options. Press enter to start or escape to go. Loading track.
So
0. Channel 4.
So if I hit Alt, nothing happens. Oh, wait, actually, okay. The menu has focus now, but it doesn't respond to any keystrokes, so that kind of sucks. Well, I wonder, how does a menu work? It's visible. Events. No, what's happened? Oh right. I actually wonder. Hello, Bradley. I suppose it's nice that you can use various options to make it easier. Probably, I don't know, that probably isn't nearly as fun to do though. In fact, I kind of had an idea that,
Editor exited. Restart. Quit.
which
Press
option
left and
was
right to
it?
select the track. Main menu. Vertical. Credit option.
Let's try it.
Options.
Let's
Vertical menu.
try.
Accessibility. Back button. Rumble on. Tap to speed boost. Rumble on beats. No. Fewer rhythm controls checkbox.
Where is it?
Reduce note frequency checkbox. Not checked.
Reduce
Reduces the
note
overall amount of notes. Check.
frequency. I
Options.
think this
Main
one's
menu.
almost
Arcade.
like too much.
Arcade. Press left and right to select the track.
Because on a track
Trace
like
options.
this, what does it
Press
turn
enter
it
to start or
into?
escape to go back.
Let's
Vertical menu.
discover.
Loading track.
I'm just gonna autoplay. I think it makes it too easy. Oh, I don't have audio. Maybe it's. Oh, actually, you still get all the zigzags. It's going good, Bradley. It's not too bad. It's definitely a heck of a lot easier. I don't know. It's like. I don't know, that's not bad, is it? This difficulty with the option on? I'm actually happy with this. This certainly makes it much more playable, right? I mean, most people could play this. It's probably not as fun as playing the original track.
Pause menu. 191 combo.
Oh, I can autoplay with F1 on any track because I'm running the development build, so yeah. I almost wonder if the reduced note frequency should be like a sliding scale though, because maybe people want more challenge. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, I guess the point is that
Arcade.
the option
Press
is
left and right to select the
there.
track. Press up and down
And
to
you
change
can
the
even
default.
still get a
Accessible below
leaderboard
emojis.
score.
Rank
It's
three.
just that it reduces your score by a lot to do that. Anyway, I'm gonna
Main
take
menu.
that off.
Options button. Press enter to active. Options. Accessibility. Narration speed.
I'm really trying to do it with this menu thing.
Not options. Main menu.
Name.
Arcade. Press left and right to select the track. Press up and down to change the difficulty. Press
Yeah,
F1 for more
I
information.
mean,
Rank 3.
there's a penalty, but whatever.
Leaderboard. Press F1 for more info. Left and
That's
right
one
change
thing I'm
the track.
not displaying on the leaderboard is
Rated 25. Rank extreme difficulty. Rated 20. Hard difficulty. Extreme
why do I?
difficulty.
Oh, it's not
Rated
showing
25.
up because it,
Rank
oh,
three.
that's a bug. That's a bug. Autoplay. I suppose it's possible. If you ever turn on autoplay, it will prevent you from even going to the score screen. It won't let you get a score at all. The track will just end and you will never go to the score screen. And I had to do that so that I was not accidentally autoplaying something and then submitting like a perfect score as I'm working on stuff. So I don't know, I suppose it's possible. I don't know. Why? I guess I'm wondering, why does the game not have autoplay enabled? I'm not sure. For any track. I don't know. Might be good. What if... Oh. to do this in debug build because I need to figure out what is going on. Push the down key. What do we get? Weird timing. The 100% achievement, it's not that hard to get if I think you can still get it with just a really easy track with like loose timing. I don't think it's that hard to get. You can certainly cheese it if you want. I'm like waiting for this to build. It's really fun. An input issue? Do you like randomly miss things or something? I think I feel like I fixed some bugs to do with that. Well, I wouldn't be surprised if there's still some issues. I don't know. Okie dokie.
Loading.
Well, that's the fun of the game, is that the rhythms get all mixed up and combine different elements. Oh, any program. Okay, so it's not my fault. Well,
Downloading.
you have a
Press any button.
crappy laptop then.
Welcome to Sequence Storm.
Oh. I'll eat that
Main
now.
arcade button. Press enter to activate. Extreme difficult arcade. Press left and right to select a track. Hard difficult, medium difficult. Race options. Press loading track.
So let's see what is going on with the freaking menu. Of course, it takes a long time. It takes forever to load in a debug build. I should have loaded some with less crap to load.
Pause menu. Zero combo.
What am I doing? Okay, I'm pressing the Alt key. Pressed. Now what? And oh, breakpoint was not set. Menu items 13. Oh. No, this should work. What on earth? That doesn't happen. Oh, well, no, the sound doesn't work, so the audio is paused. Narrate current selection. Where are we? Oh, it doesn't narrate because the... The debug build is a lot slower because it has a lot of debugging information built in, and there's no optimizations, because when you build a program normally, the compiler does a ton of optimization that makes everything fast, but in a debug build, it does the opposite. It doesn't optimize anything because that would prevent you from being able to debug, and it adds a bunch of extra information. Okay, so I'm very specifically not narrating the menu bar. That's why it's not working. Great. Fun. Why not? Let's investigate. Well, try again. Why are you here, function? Go back to release build. There's actually less, at least for me anyway, there's a slight difference between a controller and a keyboard. A keyboard has like 15 milliseconds of lag, but a controller doesn't have like any. I mean, a game controller's meant to have low lag anyway. It's just funny that keyboards takes a little bit of time for keystrokes to register. Not much time, but just a little bit. So anyway, I need to be able to navigate the menu bar by pressing left and right, not up and down. So why don't I do that? Well, because I don't care, that's why. I just want to see if I can get the narration to work. Why? Oh, taking a hot second to build. I'd really like to get this to where you can just open the menu and poke around with the keyboard, and then I think that'll open up a whole lot of stuff. But there's still so much to do. It's a start. Yeah, I set my input to -15. And that's just about perfect for me. Or, I don't know, -20, I don't know, something like that.
Done loading. Press any. Welcome to sequence. Arcade. Race options. Press enter to start loading track.
Alright, game.
Pause menu.
So,
0 combo. View. File. Material.
okay.
Color. Material. File. View. Play. View. File.
So I can navigate that menu, and that's exciting.
View. File.
Okay, as soon as I need to narrate the selected item as soon as you open it with Alt, though. Let's do it. Blah, 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 blah. Nope. I don't think usually, I don't know, to get like 0 milliseconds off is pretty, I don't know. Really trying to do this stuff. Okay. Well, let's do the left-right navigation to... Where am I doing that? Come on, come on, come on. Come on, program. Menu, update. Why am I... Okay. Up and down. So, it's horizontal menu if... Well, let's add a little getter to menu. Menu class. Yes, I wouldn't like to go there. Nope, I just deleted something. Virtual bool is horizontal const return false. Then on menu bar is horizontal return true. Fantastic. That's all it takes. How do you know what is legal to post? Well, you're not supposed to violate other people's copyrights or use their property. However, I thought there was some kind of agreement you had to do before you can upload stuff to the workshop. I don't know. Will I take off the experimental label? No. Just because, number one, the game's tutorials do not work properly still, and I don't think that I will ever make them work properly. I don't want like beginners to like just choose it and just even to try. This really is not that easy. I still like almost don't know what to do with it. I mean, people are gonna, I don't know. As long as they're a workshop item, that's like a separate, it's like separate from my game. Like each workshop item is its own product, its own like SKU or whatever. So, it's not part of my game at all, and so it doesn't affect me. And so that's why the workshop is actually really good, because people can post whatever they want and it doesn't affect my game at all. Yeah, visual cues is the same as the audible cues too. It's the same gameplay. I don't know. I just don't. I don't know. If it did say it's not for beginners, then I think that might do the job just as well. I guess I don't know. I guess I'm not concerned about the it. Let's see. Right now you can navigate menus with W and S. Like, is that really necessary? Because that's making my job hard right now. I wonder if there's someone out there actually using WSAD. Navigate menus. I'm gonna take that out and someone's gonna send me a tweet like, you took it out. I don't want to support that. Come on. You're just, this. Of course it has to be a constant. Of course, of course. You do? Oh my gosh. Alright. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I knew somebody would be using that. I will make it all. Oops. I'll make it work. Well, I can make it continue to work. That's easy, actually. It's not a big deal. Okay, that was easy. Besides, what I was trying to do was not gonna work anyway. Good. Autumn day distraction
Loading. Done. Welcome to Seek Arcade.
should be working fine.
Press left and right. 100. Antimony. Autumn day distraction. Easy difficulty.
On
Rating
easy,
13. Game settings menu. Game mode selection. Selected. Audible cues 2. Press game speed. Game mode selection. Selected. Audible cues 2. Press left and
oh,
right to change.
fantastic. I just broke the menu. You doofus. Wait a minute.
Loading. Done. Welcome to Seek Arcade. Press left and right to select a track. Press up and down to change the difficulty. Selected. Autumn day distraction by game settings. Game mode selection. Selected. Audible cues 2. Press game speed. Game mode selection. Selected. Audible cues 2. Press left and right to change.
Now I can't adjust a freaking menu item. What is wrong with me? How did I adjust? Oh, piss. That's why. The change I just made broke that. That's fantastic. Well, let's do a different thing. Goodness me. I love that. Oh. Oops. I cannot type right now. Oh my god. I'm like losing it. Programming is so hard. Like just operating a keyboard is like too much to ask right now for me. I done it? This. Okay. Grimheart is broken? Oh. Well. How's it broken?
Loading.
Let's check
Welcome
it
to
out.
sequence. Arcade. Press left and right to select it. Carnival. Element. Few. Good luck. Grimheart. Rated 0. Medium difficult. Extreme difficult. Race options. Press enter to start. Game mode. Visible cues. Audible cues 2. Audible cues 1. Beat count selection. Selected. Automatic. Race options.
Oh,
Press enter.
automatic.
Loading track.
Let me see what's going on with it. Turn on the audio.
Rank 11.
Well, first of all, it's too hard for me.
Song editor. Rank 10. Rank 11. Rank 10. Rank 11. Rank 10. Editor exited. Rank 8. Rank 6. Rank 5. Rank 6. Rank 5. Rank
I don't know.
Rank 5. Rank 6. Rank 7. Rank 6. Rank 7. Rank 6. Pause menu. Song editor. 402.
Everything sounds right. So I don't know.
Editor. Restart. Resume.
Anyway, what is like a resume?
File.
Okay.
View. Play. View. File.
Okay. You can now need to be able to
Play. View. Pause menu.
oh,
12 combo.
press enter to. Okay. You need to be able to press escape to lose focus. Okay. Or click away. Or press enter to open selected menu. Let's try all that.
View. Play. View. File. View. File. File.
I can't actually open it.
File. Vertical menu with 5 items. Selected. Save button. Control S.
Yeah, I have to make them actually work. You can navigate around the menu, but pressing enter doesn't do anything. That's stupid. Okay, anyway, so what have I done? Made it so you can navigate the menu, a horizontal menu, and so open menu bar with Alt key, navigate horizontal with keys. Got it. Hello, Muke. I don't know how to say your name. It is more of a hard track, but whatever. Now what? Now what am I doing? I need to... So if you press return, it should open menu. How does that even work? I don't know. Let's find out. Goodness. Oh, another thing is that it's navigating the menu bar with the keyboard. Let's use select, invisible, or invisible items. So, there we go. I don't know, you guys. I feel like there's a few... I'm at the point, I guess, where it's actually coming along. There's a few little buggy things for me to fix, but I've been at this for over 2 hours and I'm kind of pooped. I think I'm gonna have to, on Monday is what I'll do is clean up the last few items just to get the menu bar working before I submit the build on Monday. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Because I'm pooped, my brain doesn't work anymore. It's 4 p.m. and I haven't gone for a walk yet. Anyway, so I think all I have left is just a few easier tasks. So, thanks everyone for coming by again. I do appreciate it and letting me know how things sound. So on Monday I will post another build. I'll make another devlog. I have a lot of bugs fixed because last week's build I added all the new cool stuff, but there was a lot of like ugly bugs in it, and so I've fixed a few of them. And I've been having a whole lot of fun with all the new features. Yeah, you're welcome. So, I'm excited to get it out. People to play with it, including this stuff. So, anyway, I guess you'll see me again in my video on Monday. Alright. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you then. A Discord? Yeah, I've thought about it. I think I'm too old for Discord. I don't I don't use it for anything. So have I thought about it? Yes. Have I done anything about it? No. Anyway, maybe I will later. So, thanks guys. Bye.